Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Google Analytics for small businesses. In today's digital landscape, understanding how your website performs is crucial for growth and success. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that helps you track, analyze, and interpret data about your website visitors. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your online presence, this video will walk you through the essentials of Google Analytics, making it accessible and actionable for small business owners. Let's begin by exploring what Google Analytics is and why it matters. Google Analytics is a free web analytics service offered by Google that tracks and reports website traffic. It provides valuable insights into how users interact with your site, where they come from, and what actions they take. For small businesses, this means you can make informed decisions based on real data rather than guesswork. By understanding these metrics, you can tailor your marketing strategies, improve user experience, and ultimately drive more conversion. Let's dive deeper into the core features of Google Analytics. Getting started with Google Analytics is straightforward. First, you need to create a Google Analytics account and add your website as a property. Then you'll receive a tracking code that must be installed on every page of your website. This code collects data about your visitors and their behavior. For small businesses, it's important to ensure the code is correctly implemented to avoid missing out on valuable insights. Once set up, you'll start seeing data populate in your dashboard, ready for analysis. Once your account is set up, the Google Analytics dashboard becomes your command center. Here you'll find an overview of your website performance, including real-time data, audience demographics, and traffic sources. The dashboard is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to customize reports and focus on metrics that matter most to your business. Understanding how to navigate this dashboard is key to unlocking the full potential of Google Analytics. Audience reports in Google Analytics provide detailed information about your website visitors. You can learn about their age, gender, location, interests, and devices used. This data helps small businesses tailor content and marketing strategies to better meet the needs of their target audience. By analyzing audience reports, you can identify trends and opportunities for growth, ensuring your business stays relevant and competitive. Google Analytics breaks down where your website traffic comes from. This includes organic search, paid ads, social media referrals, and direct visits. Understanding these sources is essential for small businesses to allocate marketing resources effectively. By monitoring traffic sources, you can see which channels drive the most visitors and conversions, helping you refine your marketing strategies for maximum impact. Behavior reports show how visitors interact with your website. You can see which pages are most popular, how long users stay, and what actions they take. For small businesses, this information is invaluable for optimizing website content and structure. By analyzing behavior reports, you can identify areas for improvement, enhance user experience, and increase engagement. Conversions are actions you want visitors to take, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Google Analytics allows you to set up goals to track these conversions. For small businesses, defining clear goals is crucial for measuring success and ROI. By monitoring conversions, you can see which marketing efforts are most effective and adjust your strategies accordingly. Custom reports in Google Analytics allow you to focus on the metrics that matter most to your business. You can create tailored reports to track specific goals, campaigns, or user behaviors. This flexibility helps small businesses gain deeper insights and make data-driven decisions. Setting up custom reports is straightforward and can be done directly from the dashboard. Real-time analytics show what's happening on your website right now. You can see how many visitors are currently online, which pages they're viewing, and where they're coming from. For small businesses, real-time data is useful for monitoring the impact of marketing campaigns or website updates. It allows you to respond quickly to trends and opportunities as they arise. If your small business sells products online, Google Analytics offers e-commerce tracking features. You can monitor sales, revenue, product performance, and customer behavior. This data helps you optimize your online store, improve marketing strategies, and increase sales. Setting up e-commerce tracking requires additional configuration, but the insights gained are well worth the effort. With more users accessing websites via mobile devices, Google Analytics provides mobile-specific reports. You can see how mobile visitors interact with your site, which devices they use, and how their behavior differs from desktop users. For small businesses, optimizing for mobile is essential to reach a wider audience and improve user experience. Google Analytics can be integrated with other tools such as Google Ads, Search Console, and third-party platforms. This integration allows small businesses to track the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns across multiple channels. By combining data from different sources, you gain a holistic view of your online performance and can make more informed decisions. Protecting user data is a top priority for any business. Google Analytics provides features to help you comply with privacy regulations and secure your data. For small businesses, it's important to understand how to handle user information responsibly and maintain trust with your customers. Always review privacy settings and ensure your analytics setup aligns with legal requirements. Many small businesses make mistakes when using Google Analytics, such as not setting up goals, ignoring mobile data, or misinterpreting reports. Avoiding these pitfalls is crucial for accurate analysis and effective decision-making. Regularly review your setup, stay updated on best practices, and seek guidance when needed to ensure you're getting the most out of your analytics. Interpreting analytics data requires a clear understanding of your business goals and the metrics that matter most. Look beyond surface-level numbers and focus on trends, patterns, and actionable insights. For small businesses, effective data interpretation leads to smarter strategies, improved performance, and sustainable growth. Google Analytics is a powerful tool for marketing. You can track campaign performance, measure ROI, and identify which channels drive the most conversions. For small businesses, leveraging analytics helps maximize marketing budgets and refine strategies for better results. Use data to guide your marketing decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Analytics data reveals how users interact with your website, highlighting areas for improvement. For small businesses, optimizing website speed, content, and navigation can lead to higher engagement and conversions. Use Google Analytics to monitor performance, test changes, and continuously enhance your site for better results. Google Analytics allows you to track user journeys, showing how visitors move through your site. Understanding these paths helps small businesses identify bottlenecks and opportunities to streamline the user experience. By analyzing user journeys, you can create more effective funnels and increase conversion rates. Google Analytics makes it easy to generate reports and share insights with your team or stakeholders. For small businesses, clear communication of analytics findings is essential for collaborative decision-making. Customize reports to highlight key metrics and use visualizations to make data more accessible and actionable. Summary: Google Analytics is an indispensable tool for small businesses looking to grow online. By understanding your website data, you can make informed decisions, optimize marketing efforts, and improve user experience. Take the time to set up your analytics correctly, review your reports regularly, and use insights to drive your business forward. With these strategies, you'll be well equipped to harness the power of Google Analytics for lasting success.